Yeah, this came in the mail the other day. Hopefully, it's intact. Should be intact. I mean, this box is surprisingly big. But you know how they can be with boxes. Anyways, let's just get right into it. Son of a bitch. Trash right there. Now, I'm not going to throw that, because I don't want to clean that up, and you can't make me. Here she is. Oh my god, no, her glory. I mean, so far so good. It definitely looks packaged good. Oh my. Oh, you just stay right there, buddy. Let's begin assessing this. Oh my god. Okay. Let's first feel the flywheel. A bit stiff, but nothing too bad. Again, it's always going to be stiff when it does not have oil. I want to see it with the top on. He looks great. There's a bunch of space here to place whatever you want. The main engine is basically just the TE1A Mamod tractor. So I'm going to just take this off and give you a little oil montage. Right, I did all the oiling. Everything turns beautifully. Everything is just perfect. And yeah, all there's left to do now is to start them, and we'll cut to that right now. Alright, I got it outside, and now I'm pretty much just gonna start it up. Alright, let's just pour in some of my distilled water. There we go. And while this sits and preheats, I'm just gonna pour some spirit in the burner tray, and I'm just gonna hop over and do that right now. Just pour in some spirit to the burner tray, and I might as well just explain to you why we are boiling the water. So, if you pour in just cold water into the boiler, this little flame here that this produces, it's going to take a pretty long time to fully heat the water and begin building steam. But if you preheat the water or boil the water, when you pour it into the boiler, it's already going to be hot, so it won't take a long amount of time for it to actually begin building steam and firing up. Alright, so it looks like the water is boiling now, so I'll just pour it into this cup and I'll be right back. Alright, I got the water here. Just poured it into this cup so it's easier to pour down the funnel. We're just going to pour this water nice and slowly until it begins to come out of this hole. Oh, there we go. Now, as you can see, it is completely just pouring out this hole. I'm just going to screw on the final little thing to seal it tight. Now we just got to light the flame. Now this is spirit, so it's going to be hard to see the flame, but the flame is lit now. There we go. That is nice and in place. Now, it's just going to begin boiling, nice and slow. Yeah, let's just let him heat up, and I'll get back to you when he seems to be ready. Let's check if we can spin him. Oh! There we go. That's nice. Let's just stop him real quick. I want to let him build up some more steam. Oh, baby. I didn't even do anything that time. Yo, 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 that's so fast. Let's try him in reverse. Alright, let's try and give him a spin with the hood on. Oh yeah. Let's try and actually drive this thing. Oh, that's pretty sweet. Alright, I poured out all the water, and I gotta say, I'm impressed. That was pretty sweet. He ran very nicely on the ground and just standing. And yeah, I'm very impressed with this little engine. He will make a great addition to my collection. Oh, I'm so excited to see it on these shelves. Let's place them on. I think I need some more shelves.